The Enigma Explorers. Unraveling Town Secrets. In the heart of the picturesque town of Serendipity Springs, nestled between rolling hills and whispering pines, a group of friends found themselves on the brink of a thrilling adventure. Bonded by an unbreakable friendship and an insatiable curiosity, these young explorers were about to embark on a journey that would challenge their wit, courage, and resilience like never before. Part 1: The Mysterious Map. It all began with a weathered, parchment-like map, discovered hidden deep within the town's historical archives. William, a passionate history buff with an unquenchable thirst for adventure, stumbled upon it during his weekly visit to the Serendipity Springs library. The map was filled with cryptic symbols and clues, pointing towards long, forgotten mysteries buried within the town's fabric. He excitedly shared his find with his friends, Sophia, an expert cryptanalyst, Emma, an intuitive problem solver, and Ethan, a technology whiz with an uncanny ability to crack codes. As they huddled around the map, a spark ignited in their eyes, and they decided to call themselves the Enigma Explorers. With the mystery map as their guide, the friends set out to uncover the secrets hidden beneath the seemingly ordinary surface of their beloved town. Part 2: The Trail of Riddles. The map led the friends on a whirlwind journey, taking them from the ancient crypts beneath the town's church to the eerie caverns deep in the forest. Each location held a new challenge, a fresh set of riddles to unravel, and obstacles to overcome. The friends encountered locked chests, cryptic inscriptions, and hidden compartments, all of which were gateways to deeper mysteries. One by one, the Enigma Explorers used their unique skills to decipher the clues. Sophia's code, breaking prowess unlocked the secrets of an old journal hidden in the crypts, revealing the story of a long, forgotten treasure. Emma's intuition guided them through a pitch-black labyrinth of caves, where they discovered a hidden chamber filled with artifacts from a bygone era. Ethan's tech gadgets proved invaluable in uncovering a network of hidden tunnels beneath the town, connecting historical landmarks and revealing the true extent of the town's secret history. Part 3: Unearthing the Past. As the friends pieced together the fragments of history and unraveled the mysteries of Serendipity Springs, they realized that their journey was about more than just solving puzzles. It was a quest to unearth the past and bring the town's history to life. The mysteries they solved shed light on forgotten heroes, buried treasures, and untold tales of bravery and love. With each discovery, their bond grew stronger, and their resolve deepened. They were not just uncovering secrets, they were breathing life into their town's history, making it relevant to the present. The townsfolk soon began to take notice of the Enigma Explorers' work, and they too were inspired to delve into their own family histories and the town's past. Part 4: The Final Puzzle. After months of relentless exploration, the Enigma Explorers found themselves at the threshold of the most enigmatic challenge yet, a puzzle that could unlock the town's greatest secret. It was hidden within the legendary Spring Mansion, a sprawling estate atop a hill, rumored to be haunted for centuries. The mansion had always been off limits to the public, and its mysteries were shrouded in dark legends. The friends entered the mansion, heart pounding and torches flickering, and faced a complex web of riddles, traps, and illusions. With their combined efforts, they decoded the final puzzle, revealing a hidden chamber beneath the mansion filled with relics from a lost civilization. They had discovered the legacy of an ancient, benevolent secret society that had once safeguarded the town's treasures. Part 5: A Town United. The Enigma Explorers shared their findings with the town, unveiling a history richer and more captivating than anyone could have imagined. The town united to celebrate its heritage, transforming Serendipity Springs into a hub of cultural and historical discovery. The Spring Mansion was transformed into a museum, and the town's ancient stories were told anew through exhibitions, workshops, and community gatherings. The friends' efforts had not only unraveled mysteries but had brought life, joy, and purpose to their town. The legacy of the Enigma Explorers would forever be etched into the annals of Serendipity Springs, a reminder of the power of friendship, curiosity, and the indomitable spirit to overcome challenges and uncover the secrets that bind us to our roots. Epilogue: Beyond Serendipity Springs. With their town's mysteries solved and its history celebrated, the Enigma Explorers knew that their journey was far from over. They had ignited a passion for exploration, curiosity, and problem-solving that transcended the borders of Serendipity Springs. Their experiences had inspired them to embark on new adventures, explore new places, and tackle greater enigmas. As the sun set over Serendipity Springs, casting a warm, golden hue over the town, the Enigma Explorers looked to the horizon, ready to take on the world and uncover its hidden secrets, just as they had in their beloved hometown. The bond of friendship and the thrill of discovery would forever be their guiding stars on their endless journey of exploration, for they were the Enigma Explorers, and they would never stop seeking the truth and embracing the mysteries of life. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Please hit the like button if you like this video, and hit the subscribe button to learn English through watching these kinds of interesting stories daily. Please click on the screen on any video showing on your screen to watch it next. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video till the end.